In the AIAG manual, about 11 or 12 rules are mentioned. But what I have picked up here is the most important 6 basic rules. We can call them 6 basic rules. Rule number 1, point outside the limits. Whenever there is a point which is outside the limit, we say it is a special cause. The process is not stable. So that is rule number 1. So you already know this. Whenever there is a point outside the limits, we say it is special cause. So please remember, sometimes you may have a data point which is outside on the range chart. Whether a data point is outside on the average chart or on the range chart, a point outside means special cause. Process not in control. Whether it is an average chart or a range chart, point outside means process is not in control. But please remember, while I am showing all this, please remember, please do not panic. Please remember the Surf Excel advertisement. Kara nalladu. When a point comes outside in the control chart, it is an opportunity for improvement. Please do not curse it. No. It is an opportunity for improvement. So when a point goes outside, so don't react emotionally. Don't react emotionally. Very recently I went to a company. The company's general manager was a retired army commander. Okay. So this is a small press shop. They make, door parts for cars. Press shop. Sheet metal press. So when this general manager's car enters the factory portico, even the press stops making noise. Terror. Real discipline, army discipline. The best 5S I saw in that factory. Discipline. So morning I went to this company for this one-day program, SPC one-day program. I got introduced to this man. I shook hands with him. Powerful shake hand. 1 week shoulder pain. That was the power. Real army. So he told me, Nanda, let me take you around the shop floor and then we'll start training. So we were walking together in the shop floor. While we were going, he called up one operator and he said this in the local language. His name was Sharma. Sharma, from tomorrow onwards, not a single point outside the limits. If you get one data outside the limit, I will not talk. My revolver will talk. Understood? Sharma will never plot a point outside as long as he is the GM. All the data points Sharma plotting was on the average line only. So my message to you is, points may come out anytime. It may come out on the fateful day when you have an IATF audit. It may come up on the fateful day when JUSE examiners are there. No problem. They understand it. No need to panic. There is no problem. Everybody knows anything can happen anytime. That is special cause. It can happen. Sometimes we tell, no. Till yesterday he was okay. Yesterday evening wise he was okay. It happens. Special cause. There are some freakest of accidents that have happened. So sometimes such things happen. So don't panic. So when a point goes outside, please investigate root cause, good special cause, bad special cause.